Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you find it helpful. In this Kashable Express loan review, we'll delve into the user experience and provide a comprehensive overview of its features. Find links to the product in the description below for further exploration. This video will cover Kashable's key functionalities, identify its target audience, and assist you in deciding whether it aligns with your personal financial requirements. Kashable focuses on personal loans directly linked to employer-sponsored benefit programs. This provides employees with access to more affordable credit options. Loan amounts generally range from $250 to $20,000, with repayment terms spanning 6 to 24 months, offering adaptable solutions for various financial circumstances. Kashable is tailored for employees seeking a budget-friendly borrowing solution with interest rates that are competitive when compared to conventional payday loans or credit cards. A notable advantage is the streamlined application process. Borrowers can apply online, and approvals are often instantaneous. Kashable evaluates creditworthiness by considering employment history and income, making it a viable choice for individuals who may not have perfect credit scores. The loan funds are deposited directly into your bank account, typically within 1 to 2 business days, ensuring swift access to funds in urgent situations. Kashable also seamlessly integrates repayment with payroll deductions. This automated system simplifies payment management for borrowers, reducing the likelihood of missed deadlines and late fees. Furthermore, Kashable prioritizes financial well-being and employs a transparent fee structure, meaning no hidden costs or unexpected surprises. This loan product is well-suited for employees requiring immediate funds for unforeseen expenses such as medical bills, car repairs, or home emergencies. It can also be a valuable tool for consolidating higher-interest debt. It's crucial to remember that eligibility is contingent on your employer's participation in the Kashable program. Therefore, access may not be universal. In conclusion, Kashable presents a distinctive and affordable loan solution specifically designed for employees with benefits. Key features include payroll-deducted repayments, rapid approvals, and transparent terms. If your employer participates in the program and you require a quick and dependable loan, Kashable is certainly worth considering. For more comprehensive information, please explore the links provided in the description. Thank you for watching.